everybody, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have not visited this channel and you like this channel, you like what you see, this channel is of many things. I do lots of things on this channel. So if you're interested in me, please click on the subscription button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and share it, comment, thumbs up, and let everybody know about your girl Happy Dimples 39. Thank you so much for tuning in. But first, I have a wig review for you guys. Now, I had this wig for a couple of years, 2-3 years tops. So I am just now getting to this review. So I hope you all like it. Let me go ahead and take her out of the packaging. So it doesn't have a picture of her, but I will post a picture on the side of the video or within the description box. So this is the Manhattan style wig, and her name is Fantasia, and it has TT. I guess it's a two-tone wig, 1B and 27. So let me go ahead and take her out. Y'all, I had this wig for a while, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm just not getting to her. Okay, take this wig netting off. And I thought when I first saw this wig that she was cute. So let me take the tag off and show you guys what she looks like. I don't know if it's still up, but I'm going to search and see if they have a picture of her anywhere. I thought I had a wig like this. I thought I had a wig like this, but I wasn't for sure. Yes, I am going to like this wig. Yes, I am. I'm going to like her already. Yes. So this is a 1B 27. Look at that, y'all. Look how she's styled. This is the front of the wig. Look at that. I can tell that she's gonna be cute already on my head. So this wig do not come with any combs. Not a one. Now this wig does have adjustable straps so that you can fit it tightly to your head. And it does have a tag here, logo tag, which it says June Fashion, a June Fashion, okay? And this is 100% cankeline hair. And like I said, she's a Fantasia wig. Very soft, still soft. And she is short to the top. Two-tone color. And I am telling you, I am going to like this wig on my head already. Now you guys, I have this wig cap on and I got it slid back, off my hairline, off my edges, because the wig caps have been breaking my edges out. After this video, I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to use to, fill in my edges until my edges, grow back. Y'all seen the last video, or the last video before the last one, how the wig cap has taken my hair out. Okay, I have it pushed back, not on my edges. Okay, let's go ahead and place this wig on my head. It doesn't even have, oh yes it does, it have wig taps on the side to where you can just squeeze it at your temple. Yeah. Oh yes. I am digging her already. Yes. Let me put it behind my ears. Yes, yes. And I am not going to comb her out because I think it is meant to be lifted like this. Look at that. That's cute, y'all. Do you like it? Oh my goodness, look at this. I am loving her. I am loving her, y'all. I thought I had a wig like this, but as I looked at the package, you know, with no picture, I couldn't tell. I couldn't tell. Look at that. This is the side view, y'all. And look at the back. Look at that. Side view. Front view. Yes. Y'all, this is nothing much you can do with this wig but just place her on your head and rock her. I'm feeling myself, y'all. I am feeling myself. Now that I have makeup on to show y'all how this wig really looks on a beautiful person inside and out. Whether I have makeup on or not, I'm still beautiful on the inside and out. Yes. Yes. All right, y'all. And also, I did watch, I think somebody else had a wig like this on YouTube, but you can go ahead and search other people, you know, wig reviews. And some of them did cut the edges off, which I am going to keep my, you know, I guess sideburns on this wig. I'm going to keep it on there because I love how it curls up like this. You know, I love it. Love it. Sister girl is going to be rocking this wig. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Oh, wow. And then I noticed some have cutting the bangs off too, which I am going to keep the bangs. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. I will be doing more wigs review in other videos. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. But if you want to come back and visit this channel, come on, visit this channel. Don't forget to subscribe now. Come back. So thank you. Thank you so much for watching. And each and every one of you, please be blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Why do we forget who we were made to be? Living in a fantasy. Don't you know that true beauty is the spirit that lives within? confidence hidden in your essence. It's beautiful. Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful. Why do we forget who we were made to be? Living in a fantasy. Don't you know that true beauty is the spirit that lives within? A quiet confidence hidden in your essence. It's